everyone, this is World Trade Center Denver Global Trade Activator for Immigrant Entrepreneurs Program. Here we have Shanny today.
Hello.
Hi Shanny, thank you for
Hi.
coming.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, can you tell us where you're from?
I'm from Tajikastan. It's a small country in Central Asia. A small country with big heart.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I love that big heart. So we never had anybody from Tajikistan and now we have one. And yes, and that makes our program so international because now we have 52 different countries in our program.
That's great.
Yes, amazing. So can you tell us when did you come to United States?
I came to United States in 2007. I graduated international business and I was working with my mom in all of the world, and I decided that US it's great to be, especially for business, running global business. It's good infrastructure, and I immigrated in 2013.
That's amazing. How many different countries? You just mentioned you were like in so many different countries, right?
As far as accounting, it's over 20 countries.
Amazing.
Yes.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Malaysia, India, China, all Europe, Brazil.
Wow, Latin America also.
Latin America, yes.
West Europe, East
West
Europe,
yes.
Asia, and
Asia.
Middle East too, right?
Middle East, oh yeah.
Cool. Have you been in the African continent?
Not yet, that's next on my
Okay,
list.
that's only one continent missing so far, no?
Yeah, but
That's
we can
pretty
plan.
cool. I love your international mindset, all this power, energetic power. Amazing.
Thank you.
Yes. So how did you decide to open your business?
There is a lot of immigrants who has their cultural foods. That why we're missing our countries because of the food, because of that smell.
Everybody like
Yes.
reminds or misses the
My mom's
traditional
bread,
taste.
my mom's meat, or my dad how he cooking this kebab.
Yeah.
Is everything is missing, so we want to bring that piece of the home to US, where every customers, every people, immigrants, everyone, local people can taste something new. Immigrants can find something from their hometown. So that's the reason we decide that there is a shortages on the market for our product. We want to find to anywhere in the stores, or we can just order it online and have it in our door.
Yes,
That's
amazing.
that's the business model.
Yes, and that's the halal product, right?
It is halal. The main point is
Yes.
halal because halal is healthiest, most healthy product, and it's most tastier product. We just want to make healthy product can be taste. We want to prove that with our product.
Okay. So Shani, can you tell me what's halal for somebody who doesn't understand? Because I honestly don't know what's halal.
Sure. So halal, it's very healthy and tasty product. The reason why it's halal, the slaughtering is very interesting. It take out of the animal all this blood, which can bring the take when you take off the blood from the animal, the taste you will feel a meat, not the blood.
Oh.
It's so yummy.
And very interesting. Like the process is very interesting.
Yes. And also there is like already proof in all of the world that halal is healthy. It doesn't the animal must grow in a healthy without any hormones or any GMO products. It must be very healthy and organically grown. So we can say in one word, halal is organic, it's very healthy, and it's so tasty.
How did you know about this program? Where did you find us?
I contacted SBA and they suggested me to contact, they referred me to World Trade Center. And gladly, I was specifically telling that my mom is speaking Russian and I'm looking to find someone who can help us, be our mentor who speaks Russian. And gladly, we got contacted with you. And it was a great experience. We're still going with a lot of mentoring from your side, support. We find you contacted us with our student Precious. She's awesome. She's helped us a lot with research and marketing, which is very helpful and valuable for us. and also there's a lot of good networking actually that was very valuable for the growing business.
Yes. So can you tell us maybe example of how this program helped your business? Maybe like 3 different examples.
The example is easy. It's network. Number 1, it's educational, and number 3 is real support that we needed as immigrants. We need for business. Lots of regulations, lots of connections that has to be like a build. Here's how it builds here, but you can still build global business. But we still have to remember that we are in US, all immigrants, and we have to follow the rules in order to grow business. That's what the main thing.
Yes, that's exactly what we try to do with our clients. So it's like localizing, right? Like when we try to sell our product in different country, no matter if it's in US or back in Tajikistan, we'll have to localize our product based on Tajikistani audience, or in this case, we're focusing on American audience. So we need to explain our product and localize it to sell it in US.
Right?
Yes, that's what we focus on. And can you tell me about your future goals?
Future goal: bring our products and halal products to global market, made in US.
Amazing. So in our Global Trade Activator program, we have another program which focuses on US companies going global, like franchising, licensing, joint ventures. So we teach all of that in our another program. So hopefully we can help you with that too. Once your business is domestically very successful, selling in 50 different states, then it's time for you to sell it overseas.
Great.
So we can help with all of that in our program.
We're in.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yes. So what kind of advice would you give to beginner entrepreneurs who are coming to our program?
Just move forward. You are in good hands. Mentors are here, amazing. I can tell you, I proved it. Amar.
Thank you.
And no matter you can't have any changes in the middle, but just keep working hard and smart. Just achieve your goals.
Yes. Just keep going, right?
Just keep going.
Yes, keep going. There will
You
be
guys
some
help
challenges.
a lot.
Yes, thank you. Yes. So just keep going. There will be lots of challenges, but we can overcome it together, right?
Yes. Exactly.
So Shanny, where we can find your product?
Everywhere. Mainly you can find the product online on our website, halalfoods.com, and you can sign up as a weekly to get fresh foods in your door, or you can get it monthly for whole family. And we also have our products in the local grocery stores as well. And also if you have your grocery stores, we're happy to provide you with all the shelving so you can sell your customers healthy food. The main thing is subscription is very popular right now.
Yeah.
Lots of subscribers.